Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of delicious and nutritious smoothie recipes that will kickstart your day on a healthy note. Whether you're looking for a refreshing breakfast option or a post-workout boost, these smoothies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to fuel your body and mind. So grab your blender and let's get blending. Our first smoothie is a classic favorite that never disappoints: the Green Goddess Smoothie. Packed with leafy greens and tropical fruits, it's a powerhouse of nutrients to energize your morning. Simply blend until smooth, and voila, you have a vibrant green smoothie that's as delicious as it is nutritious. Next up, we have the Berry Blast Smoothie. Bursting with antioxidants from mixed berries, this smoothie is perfect for boosting your immune system and enhancing your skin health. Blend until creamy and indulge in the sweet and tangy flavors of this delightful smoothie. Now let's satisfy our tropical cravings with the Mango Tango Smoothie. Rich in vitamin C and fiber, mangoes are the star ingredient of this tropical delight. Blend until velvety smooth and transport yourself to a sunny paradise with every sip. For our next smoothie, we're going nuts with the Peanut Butter Powerhouse. Packed with protein and healthy fats, this smoothie is perfect for refueling after a workout. Blend until creamy and enjoy the rich and creamy goodness of this indulgent treat. Up next, we have the Tropical Turmeric Twist. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, adds a vibrant hue and earthy flavor to this tropical concoction. Blend until smooth, and start your day with a tropical twist that's as refreshing as it is nutritious. Moving on to our sixth smoothie, we have the Creamy Coffee Kickstart. For all the coffee lovers out there, this smoothie combines the rich flavor of coffee with the creaminess of bananas and almond milk. Blend until frothy and enjoy a caffeine boost in the form of a delicious and nutritious smoothie. Now let's cool things down with the Blueberry Mint Mojito. This refreshing smoothie combines the sweetness of blueberries with the invigorating flavor of fresh mint leaves. Blend until icy, and sip on this refreshing mocktail-inspired smoothie for a burst of flavor and hydration. For our eighth smoothie, we're embracing the fall flavors with the Apple Pie Paradise. With cinnamon-spiced apples and creamy oats, this smoothie tastes like dessert in a glass. Blend until smooth and indulge in the cozy flavors of apple pie without any guilt. Next up, we have the protein-packed Green Monster. This smoothie is a favorite among fitness enthusiasts for its high protein content and refreshing taste. Blend until creamy and power up your day with this nutrient-packed green smoothie. Last but not least, we have the Chocolate Avocado Dream. Creamy avocado and rich cocoa powder combine to create a decadent smoothie that's both satisfying and nutritious. Blend until velvety smooth and treat yourself to a guilt-free chocolate indulgence. And there you have it, 10 delicious and nutritious smoothie recipes to kickstart your day on a healthy note. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy blending!